following steps are specifically recommended when using fresh yeast. If you choose to use dry yeast, please see the order in mixing the ingredients specified in the addendum of Module 2. Enjoy the video! Here is how to mix the ingredients of your pizza dough. Into the bowl, pour the amount of water specified in my recipe in Module 1. Then add and dilute the salt. Once salt is well dissolved in the water, add to it 3 tablespoons of flour if you are following the recipe to make 3 pizzas. 4 tablespoons if you are following the recipe to make 4 pizzas. By mixing these ingredients, you will obtain a homogeneous liquid mixture. Take the amount I suggested of fresh yeast, immerse it in the mixture, and dissolve it by rubbing it between your thumb and forefinger. Add to the mixture the balance of the flour, little by little, to avoid the dough from being too dry. Each type of flour has its own absorption capacity. When the mixture becomes dense, start working it in this way. With one hand, lap up some of the mixture from the bottom and fold it. Rotate the bowl so the mixture will be entirely incorporated and well blended. Repeat these steps until the mixture becomes dough. It should take about 10 minutes. As you can see, the dough is still a bit sticky, but you can easily lap up from the edges of the bowl. This texture in the dough is what I call the tactile dough point. The next step in working the dough must be continued on a flat surface. And now it's time to go to step 2.